Okay, welcome to Flashback's Garage, and an update on Opel Insignia transmission problems. I'm happy to say that it's fixed. No more awkward noises in first and second and fifth and sixth gear, and also the gear shift movement is gone. And I had to take the car to the dealership for repair. And what they did there was they changed all the bearings. There was no need for gear change, only the bearings. And also what they did was they changed the clutch. So now everything is good. Clutch feels fantastic. Shifter changes nicely, smoothly, and no noises. So I'm happy with that. And let me add some footage of about the shifter movement, which is no longer available. So available. It doesn't exist anymore, so that's good.